Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Well, it is, oh my goodness, it's almost lunchtime. It's almost noon, and I just walked in the door. Didn't do a video yesterday because I was having too much fun decorating, and I just didn't video anything at all. So here I am in the kitchen, and I'm like, girl, what are we gonna do a video on? We gotta kick something out fast. And it dawned on me, these valances right here, not digging them, not digging them. However, yesterday I did have some different wreaths on my door, and I didn't like how they looked with those valances. It just looked too blah. So when I added these wreaths, suddenly this valance looked better to me. But you guys may remember, I ordered some new ones the other day off of Amazon. Let me show you what I got. I ordered these valances off of Amazon, and you can see the detail at the bottom. That's kind of cute, and it is long. It's for a long window, but I don't have a long window, so I could just fold this in half, use my curtain clips up there, clip it up, and then add my my little black, bows or ribbon. So I don't know, that's what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Does this look like it would look better on my French doors with these wreaths, or are you liking the red? I don't know. I wish you guys could talk to me. Hello, hello. Calling all my subbies. What do you think I should do? This or this? So as I mentioned the other day, my husband took on this little project here in the kitchen. And I kind of gave you a little bit of a sneak peek. Well, he worked diligently last night trying to finish this up for me, because I kind of said I was going to do this Friday, show the kitchen. And so he's like, well, I guess I got to get this done. So anyway, he got it done this morning. And so, yeah, so I need to get this done, and maybe I can show you some things I bought today at Ross to kind of jazz up this kitchen for this reveal that's coming hopefully Friday. So without further ado, let's get going. Let's do it. So here's a close-up of my new wreaths that my daughter picked up for me at Wegmans. I just love them. I love the berries, the pine cones, the holly, the ribbon. And here you can see the valances I currently have on my double French doors that lead into the pantry. All right, so let's get busy and hang these new valances. So what you see I'm doing here is simply unclipping the curtain valances from the curtain rod, and then I'm going to slip the ribbon off the curtain rod. Easy peasy. I'm so excited. I can't wait to hang these new curtain valances. I hope they look good. And now here we go. I'm just clipping the new valances up. And then I'll determine whether or not I want to add the ribbon or leave it as is. So what I normally do is just spread the curtain clips out, and you may have to play with it and adjust it here and there, but it's very easy to do. So here I am comparing and contrasting the two, and I am really loving the new valances. So I've decided to unclip the other valance and hang the new one. So I forgot to mention, when I put this up here and I clip it to my curtain, I always take my valance and I just fold it like that and then clip it up, because then on the side it gives it a nice kind of tailored look as opposed to just hanging like that. It makes it look more finished, I think. So what I absolutely love about having these French doors in my kitchen is the ability to change up my valances throughout the seasons. So I can completely transform the look of my kitchen using different colors, different textures, different styles, and it makes it fun. And here is the look of my new valances. And I like them so much, I think I'm gonna do without using the ribbon. And I really like the looks of it with my new wreaths. All right, guys, let's get into what I found at Ross today. So when I went to Ross, I found this beautiful wreath for $17.99. And it's really pretty and sparkly, and I love the holly berries. So I thought I might be able to use this on my kitchen island and then put like a hurricane vase in the middle of it, fill it with something, and then prop a big beautiful candle in the center of it, or like a huge hurricane vase full of colorful ornaments. So that's kind of what I'm thinking for the kitchen, but we shall see. Things are always subject to change around here. So there's that. I found this really cute Joy pillow for $8.99. A little more than I wanted to spend. I think this would have been a better price at, I don't know, say $6.99, but I popped for it anyways. I was looking for a little black and white check with some gold and red in it for the kitchen, because you guys know I have a sofa that's directly across from my island, and I just thought this would be really cute. But look at the little bling 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 on the pillow. Adorbs. So you guys, you all know I'm doing a Mackenzie Childs inspired look and feel, sort of in my family room and other parts of my house. In some of the areas, it's not like the family room. It's more on the sparse side. But anyway, I saw this guy and I just thought, you look like you've got Mackenzie Childs colors. And so I thought he would be really cute here in the kitchen somewhere. And you can't beat the price. I mean, $12.99. So if you're looking for one, run to Ross, because they have them in all different shapes and sizes and colors, and the prices are all excellent. I have to say that. I've been all over the place, and you cannot beat the price for nutcrackers at Ross. So yeah, check them out if you're looking for them. What is this, you ask? Well, these are little candle holders, and I just thought these were adorbs. And they have little, it's like little Christmas trees and snowflakes, if you can see. Real blingy. And these were only $5.99. And I'm going to be putting my LED flickering flameless candles from Amazon in these. I'll link them in the description box below in case you'd like to get some. I'm thinking of putting these up in my kitchen cabinets, the ones that are open, because I want to add some bling and some ambiance with the candles. So stay tuned for that. But I thought these were really pretty. And again, it's Ross. You can't beat the price, peeps. You just can't. Then check out what I found. Another candle holder. This was only $13.99, and it's got gold glittery leaves and like berries, and look at this cute ribbon. Yeah, so I picked this up, and I'm hoping to put this somewhere in my kitchen. Wait till you guys see. I don't know if you guys remember. I know for a lot of you that may be new to my channel, you won't remember because you probably didn't see that video. But when I was doing my storage room clean out after fall, to make room for all my fall stuff so I could get my Christmas stuff out, I came across a box full of old stuff that I had been looking for. It was in the other storage room. And I had thought I pulled all my storage stuff into my storage room, and apparently I left a box behind. So for a whole year, I was out of these things and couldn't find them. But last night I pulled this out and I hung this on one of my cabinets here in the kitchen. This was actually red. It was at Hobby Lobby, and it was distressed. It was like a red with a distressed, like kind of like a black showing through. Can't talk. And I thought, with what my husband did, I'm like, I'm gonna paint this black. So last night he was decoupaging, or however you pronounce it, decoupaging, and I was painting this. So I painted it a nice black, and then I went to Ross. Where did I get it? And then I got this pretty glittery candle to go on here. So stay tuned for that. I don't know if I'm going to be adding a bow to this or just leaving it like this on the side of my cabinet. You'll see. You'll see Friday. So because it's Christmas, I'm wanting to add golds and reds in here. And I came across this. It's really pretty. This was only $8.99 at Ross. I'm telling you, the prices are amazing. And then I came across these plates and I thought these were super cute. These were $4.99. In all honesty, I wish they had been $3.99. But anyway, I think these are really cute. And I'm hoping to add like some gold behind it. I don't know, we'll see. But I'm hoping to put these in the kitchen somewhere. I found these at Ross and I was so thrilled because I've been looking for something that's a bright pop of red here in the kitchen, and I have not been having a lot of luck because let's just face it, a lot of stuff is picked over this time of year. So when I came across these, I was like, score, I'm getting 2 of those. These were only $12.99. $12.99. And they're huge. Look how big they are. And so I've got plans for these. Who knows what I'll do. But I was thinking either putting a pretty like holly berry garden ball on top. So I'll have the green and the red, maybe taking a black and white Harlequin ribbon or check ribbon and tying it around and just doing a cute little bow. Or I might just put these up there and keep it simple. Put a flameless flickering LED candle in here if it shines through. Like if you can see the light glowing through. I mean, I know you will from up top, so it is a possibility, but yeah, so I might keep it simple or I might dress them up. But I thought these were a great find and I thought I'd put one in. I have these open shelves in the kitchen, one on one top shelf and one on the other. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys, well, those were my finds at Ross and I hope you guys like the kitchen balances. Come back and see me Friday because I'm hoping I will have this kitchen done. If it's not done, I might just start showing you glimpses of it because I think it's going to be so cute. Super excited about this kitchen. So anyway, love you guys so much. I thank you for each and every comment. For those of you that are new, all my regulars know I'm lousy at responding. I just am. When I have a lot of time, I will sit down and respond, but I've been so busy and I've had sick kids home, so please forgive me. But anyway, I love you guys so much. I cherish every comment. It goes right here to my heart. And I will see you guys Friday. Have a good one, guys, and thanks for stopping by. Bye, guys.